Oh, have a look at this. Good looking little Mini Clubman Estate car there. Lot number 224. Internet in very low at 45. I've got £5,000 in the room, bid of £5,000, telephone bid of 5,250, 55, 750, £6,000 bid. At 6,000, £6,000 bid of £6,000 bid of 6,000, at £6,000 bid, all done. 6,250, 65, 65 in the room on the phone, 65, 65 telephone bidder, 65, 6,500, 65 bid, all done. 65, 750, 7,000, £7,000. £7,000 on the net now, 7,250, 7,250 bid telephone at 7,250, 7,250 bid, hammers up, 7,250, had its time then, 75, at 75 bids on sale, at 75, £7,500 I'm selling on the internet, 75, 750, 7750, at 7750 bids, you're out on the net, the bids on the phone, at 7750 bid, hammers up, selling outright. It's on the phone at 7,750. Thank you. 7,750 bid at 7,750. Selling now. You're out on the net. 7,750. I sell it. Hammers up at 7,750. Telephone